What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel where we talk about sneakers, streetwear, music, and everything in between. I'm your host, Icarus. Welcome back to the show. I appreciate you guys stopping by, so don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe for more content in the near future. With that out of the way, let's get to it, man. So, I know we're in a different setup right now. I'm actually on vacation in Cebu. I actually got a time to visit Ayala Cebu just to check out some of the sneaker stores available. We got Nike, Adidas, and many more. But from those stores, it's more like the general release stuff. But when I got to the Converse and the New Balance store, I found some interesting items, and that's what we're gonna go through in this video. This is the top surprising finds in Converse and New Balance in Ayala Cebu. Let's go. First things first, in Converse, we got this Chuck High 70 utility. Now, this silhouette per se actually released last year, I believe, with the Kim Jones collaboration. That's the white and black colorway. But you can actually find a general release version of the Chuck 70 utility in Ayala Cebu in this gray colorway, a white colorway, and of course this brown colorway. Now, the difference between the standard Chuck High and these utility highs is this really nice TPU panel in the lateral and the medial side of the sneaker. You have this modified aglets as well right here in the middle of the shoe, and of course this really thick midsole right down below. Now, this is a really nice switch up in my opinion, because compared to your standard Chuck Highs, you're really getting what you're paying for in this silhouette. It has more structure with those TPU and rope laces, and it definitely elevates your style a lot more. Again, that's the Chuck 70 High utility. Right up next is the Converse Weapon CX. This was actually reviewed by Nightwing. Feel free to check out his review right down below in the description. And we have this varsity red, varsity blue, and that white and black colorway in the Weapon CX. Now, this is a silhouette that went on discount in the Ayala Cebu branch, and it's only going for 4,100 pesos. And in my opinion, you're really getting a lot of bang for your buck. Now, for me personally, I think this is a really nice switch up on the Weapon silhouette. Full size range up to a size 11. Sadly, no love for size 12. With this quality of leather and of course that high cut silhouette, extremely thick midsole, it looks comfortable in my opinion, and it really gives you that elevated model look. And I'm really digging this white and black colorway. Standard Converse 1-star logo right in the medial and lateral side with a black collar and all over white leather upper. This might be a really nice summer go-to in my opinion. Again, that's the Converse Weapon CX. Now, right up next, we have... Now, this is a silhouette I'm actually surprised to see, because it really gives you that off-white alternative vibes with that orange rubberized pull tab right here in the lateral or medial side, the whole deconstructed tongue, and it comes in this white or black colorway. But the crazy part is this actual midsole. You have this really nice sculpted wavy midsole with Far From Chuck embossed around the edge of the midsole. Now, this is a really nice attention to detail, because for the price you're paying for close to your standard Chuck, this is definitely one of those if you know you know, or a little bit of subtle hint just to spice up your sneaker in my opinion. Now, right up next, we have this Chuck 70 High in an ivory colorway with really nice intricate details and embroidery all over the upper. Now, again, right from the get-go, this is a lot of bang for your buck for that subtle detail if you're looking for more from your standard Chuck 70s. Now, according to the sales lady, this is a recent release, really clean, really elegant, really nice embroidered details. Now, again, if you're looking for a more detail-oriented Chuck 70 High, this might be for you. Now, right up next, we have this standard Chuck 70 High with a little twist with this really nice, sleek, thick midsole, and of course, this rubberized heel cap. Kind of familiar with the Mars Yard sneaker in my opinion. Again, it comes in this white, dark green and olive colorway for your liking, with this really crazy traction pattern in my opinion. Again, all sizes come up to an 11. I guess that would be like a size 12 for men's as well. Again, another lifestyle offering by Converse with this really nice, sleek, thick twist. And of course, they do have the Runstar CX in a low and in a high version. I have been seeing these a lot on Instagram and a lot of people's feet recently with different colorways. We got a light blue colorway, a standard cream colorway, and of course a pride colorway with that crazy midsole. Shout out to all the LGBTQ community out there. Again, you have this crazy wavy midsole with gum and black accents all over the outsole. And last but not least, we have the Sponge Crater Clog by Converse. Now, I first saw these with the Cold Wall collaboration with that gray and orange colorway, but a triple black colorway is actually a really surprising find because this is very wearable in my opinion in this clog season. Now, this is the first time I'm actually seeing this crater foam technology in the Sponge Converse clogs, and it's really soft to the touch in my opinion with a crazy pattern, really perfect for that standard casual look. But if they had a white colorway or a cream colorway in these, I might have picked it up, but the black colorway really isn't doing much for me. Now, the price from what I remember is actually ranging from 4,000 or 5,000 pesos. Again, a lot of bang for your buck with that lunar or comfort technology from Nike now dripping down to Converse, especially nowadays with this clog or slide season aesthetic that's been really on a high right now in the sneaker or fashion community. Again, this might be a really nice cheaper alternative for you guys. This is the Converse Sponge Crater CX. Well, that's enough about the Converse shop. Time to check out the New Balance store in Ayala Cebu in the next episode. And stay tuned because we might have an unboxing ready. So stay tuned for the next episode, guys. Well, that's enough about me, man. How about you guys? Leave a comment down below and let me know what are some of your thoughts on the Converse sitting in Ayala Cebu right now, or what are some of your thoughts on Converse in general right now in the sneaker community. Leave a comment down below and let me know. Always appreciate you guys stopping by. Again, don't forget to check out my next episode where we unbox a New Balance pickup. Like, comment, subscribe, and check me out on Instagram at rural.icarus right here for more sneakers, streetwear, and music related content right here on the channel. I am Icarus, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.